Did you know your body starts amazing changes when you fast in the morning? From 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., your body enters a natural healing mode called autophagy, where it cleans out damaged cells, rejuvenates tissues, and even burns fat. Your body is basically giving itself a reset. When it's time to break your fast, do it smartly. Start with a glass of warm water to gently wake up your digestive system. Then eat a meal rich in protein and vegetables, keeping carbs light. This fuels your body without spiking insulin. Simple, healthy portions help your body stay energized and balanced. After eating, take a gentle walk. Moving your body supports digestion, circulation, and fat metabolism. Even a 10-15-minute walk makes a big difference for overall health. For moms recovering from childbirth, gentle core exercises help rebuild your abdominal muscles, repair diastasis recti, restore posture, and regain core strength. Start slow leg lifts, gentle stretches, and breathing exercises are perfect for safe recovery. Pay attention to your abdomen, engage your core, and be patient. Your body is healing beautifully. Keep hydrated throughout the day. Water is your best friend for recovery and energy. Consistency is key. Fasting, mindful eating, gentle movement, and core care will help your body heal, regain strength, and restore confidence. Try it out and take care of yourself.